Welcome to the 3CX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to set up caller ID in the 3CX Management Console and CNAM in the Voxtelesys portal. What's commonly referred to as your caller ID is actually your CNAM. Your CNAM displays the name associated with your phone number. On the other hand, caller ID displays the phone number associated with your account. To begin, log into the 3CX Management Console and click on the Users tab. Click on the user you'd like to add the caller ID to. Under the General Settings, type in the outbound caller ID as an 11-digit number starting with 1. You'll want to make sure that the phone number you use as the caller ID is registered with Voxtelesys, as your call will fail otherwise. Click on OK when you're finished. Navigate to the Voxtelesys portal. Click on the Phone Numbers tab, then click on Numbers from the dropdown. Click on the Edit icon on the phone number associated with the user you configured in 3CX. Check Outbound CNAM Enabled and type in your desired outbound CNAM in the text box. If you wish to have incoming calls to display their CNAM, it will have a monthly cost of $1. Click on OK when you're finished. Congratulations! You've successfully set up caller ID and CNAM on 3CX. Check back for more videos on 3CX as well as other helpful guides.